We have to prove that base angles of an isosceles trapezium are congruent. Very easy sum. Let us start with the diagram. So this is our isosceles trapezium. Now, what is the meaning of isosceles trapezium? First of all, let us name it. Quadrilateral ABCD is isosceles trapezium. What is the meaning of isosceles trapezium? Isosceles trapezium means that the non-parallel sides should be congruent. See, these are the parallel sides, and we have to prove that in an isosceles trapezium the base angles are congruent. Here we have to see what is the given. Given is, first, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Second, AB is congruent to DC, and obviously AD is parallel to DC. We have to prove that its base angles B and C are congruent to each other. Very easy sum. There is a construction. Construction is, from point A, draw perpendicular on BC, and from point D as well draw perpendicular on BC. Let us name these points as P and Q. These are perpendiculars drawn. So we'll write construction. From points A and D, draw perpendicular AP and DC on side BC such that B dash, P dash, Q dash, C. Now let us start solving the sum. So proof. Statement and reason format. Here, if you see, if we can prove these two triangles to be congruent, then we can easily say that this angle B is equals to angle C by CACT. So now how to prove these two triangles to be congruent? Very easy. AB is equals to DC given to you. AP is equals to DQ. This is the distance between two parallel sides. So distance between two parallel sides will be equal. These are two parallel sides, and these are the distance between two parallel sides. That should be equal, and one angle is 90 degree. Okay, so let us start. In triangle APB and triangle DQC, first is side AB is congruent to side DC. Reason is given. Second, AP is congruent to DQ. Perpendicular distance between two parallel sides are equal. And the third one is angle APB is congruent to angle DQC. Each is 90 degree. So can you tell me triangle APB will be congruent to triangle DQC by which test? Most of the time many students make mistake to write this to be as SAS test because there are two sides and an angle. But if you see here for SAS test द एंगल शुड बी एन इंक्लूडेड एंगल, मतलब कि जो दो साइड इक्वल है उनके बीच का एंगल इक्वल होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे ये दोनों इक्वल साइड के बीच का एंगल इक्वल नहीं है. दिस समथिंग एल्स. दिस इज़ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल जिसमें हाइपोटेनस इक्वल है और हाइपोटेनस को छोड़ के और एक साइड इक्वल है. सो एज यू कैन क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज़ हाइपोटेनस side theorem. And now as we have proved both the triangles to be congruent, we can easily say that angle B is congruent to angle C. Reason CACT, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Very easy. Thank you very much.